4 different establishments, each with its own customer service counter and warehouse. The perfect solution until the company was faced with the biggest challenge that all entrepreneurs would like to have to deal with: success. That's how Mechalux Easy and Prodelec met. Prodelec is a family business, started in 1976, dedicated to the distribution of electrical material. Over the years, it continuously expanded its product portfolio and entered the world of air conditioning, plumbing, and water supply. First indication of success: growth. In terms of market, references, the need for space, and the need to save. The idea arose in mid-2007 when we moved to these facilities in Mollet del Vallès with an area of 2,500 square meters and with enough height to create 3 levels of storage. All warehouses are about volume. The smart use of depth and height convert this 2,500 meter squared structure into 6,000 square meters of storage space. Because of our product type and the fact that we have a shop and must serve customers at the counter, we decided to have fixed locations for each of the references in stock. This was one of the first decisions we made, and this then conditioned the layout of the warehouse. Every wall is important, every centimeter counts. When it came to plan the project, one of the challenges we faced was the number of references we had to manage at Prodelec. With 8,000 active in-stock references. It wasn't just the sheer number of references, but the different types of materials we had to handle in our management system. Small picking materials, 3-meter lengths of pipe and wiring materials, large pallet racking areas, and the conductor coil area. Then there was the floor pallet racking area, used to handle corrugated pipe, which for size reasons posed a number of difficulties in terms of storage. But let's not forget the counter. Every item must be quick and easy to find and to put back. The warehouse has different areas: electrical, plumbing, and lighting. In addition, the shelves have labels with the location code and the product code. We work with 6 radio frequency terminals and 3 antennas. Labels, radio frequency terminals, and antennas. Once the warehouse layout was decided, these were the elements that would tell operators what to do and where, both to store incoming products and to prepare outgoing orders. We use the shortest, most efficient route. The mechanics are quite simple. What we do is receive the material on the ERP. The ERP sends a message to the terminal so that it receives the material. Once it has been received, it is registered in the Mechalux Easy master stock file. And once the material has been registered in the stock file, we begin to generate tasks. Easy WMS has thought of it all. From the essential cross-docking, when for example an increase in demand depletes the stock, through to the inevitable paperwork. Then you simply create the label and the invoice to later ship the material to the client. That is the process and how the circle is closed using the Mechalux application. We reached the conclusion that our choice was Mechalux. It's the company we felt was the most established in our market, that had worked the longest in this field, and that could provide us with the best solutions. As a result, we have been able to increase our production capacity by 21% in terms of per-person line preparation capacity. What's more, we have managed to do this using 50% of the resources we used before. In other words, before we needed 4 people to prepare orders, and now we can do it with only 2. An intensely close relationship was established with Prodelec, which ensured the success of the project. Mechalux took the project on as its own from the very beginning, and that has made everything work much better. We work for our clients, but each of our projects is ours, and if it's ours, it has to be the best we're capable of doing.